Good morning. Balancing of chemical equation. It's a topic under the chapter of chemical reactions and equations, right? Standard 10th student of science know about. Actually, I had a comment from one of you to make a video on balancing of chemical equations. So to start with, let's see what's the skeletal chemical equation is and how to balance the skeletal chemical equation. Fe, the iron, on reaction with H2 produces ferric oxide and releases hydrogen gas. Fe plus H2. Here these are the reactants. The iron and water has some atoms. One atom of Fe, two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen, right? This is what you can make out from the LHS, left hand side of the reaction, which is termed as reactant or reactants. In this case, the reactants are Fe and H2, and the atoms are one number of Fe, one atom of, rather two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. The products Fe3O4, which is termed as the ferric oxide, and the hydrogen. These are the products on reaction amongst Fe and H2O. These products means Fe3O4 and the H2 comprise of much more atoms of Fe, means iron, oxygen and hydrogen. We can see here Fe has 3 atoms, oxygen has 4 atoms, hydrogen has 2 atoms. So this is not equal to the atoms of Fe, means iron, hydrogen and oxygen on left hand side. Means the left hand side number of atoms are lesser than right hand side number of atoms, which doesn't satisfy the law of conservation of mass, right? आप लोग लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास पढ़ चुके हैं. तो ये जो यहाँ पे रिएक्शन है, विच इज एक्चुअली नॉट अ बैलेंस्ड रिएक्शन, इट इज अ स्केलेटल इक्वेशन वी कैन से. इसमें जो नंबर ऑफ एटम्स हैं डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स के, दे आर नॉट सेम आफ्टर द रिएक्शन. So it is not in line with the law of conservation of mass. Hence, we need to balance. We cannot go against the law, which is already established. So we need to balance this equation, and there is a specific methodology to balance any skeletal equation like this, and the steps involved in this methodology will be talked about tomorrow. Thank you friends for today. Bye bye. Enjoy the day.